friends, thank you for coming back. This is Elaine Marie, and hello to all the newcomers. Well, I took a Corolla pencil, and what I did, I sketched out our little fisherman or fisherwoman right here, okay? This is like a C, okay? Like another C, a little loop like this for the hat, straight for the pole and the line. It's very, very easy. Now we're going to fill it in. I have a pointer brush, okay, and always make sure it's damp. I hope everyone is doing well. And we're going to come in and we're going to roll that right on the tip. All right, we're going to roll that right on the tip. Okay. You're going to come around like that with the shoulders. Okay. And what I do normally, I have like a sketch book that I do. And I'll take a pencil and I'll start sketching out things before I start to put it on canvas to kind of give me an idea. So we're going to swing that in like that. Okay, you're going to bring this around and come in like a body, just like that. A little bit the elbow, coming in, coming out like that. Okay, very good. Now we're going to do the hat. Come up. Okay, there you go. There you go. And a little top piece for the hat. Now what we're going to do, we're going to roll this, and then we're going to come with the point. Alright, we're going to come in, and we're going to kind of blend that. So you get that two-tone effect. There you go. On the lower part of the body, there you go. Alright, we'll make that straight. We'll come down like this and around. And then with the hat, okay, I'm going to roll a little bit more of that with the white. What you're doing is giving it a nice two-tone effect. Okay. With the pointers, you really have to take the brush and give it a good roll. Go that way. And always go different ways, so it'll give us some different texture. Okay. Hope everybody's having fun. I know I am. Well, there you go. You can always darken that up. There you go. Give that a little. Now we're going to roll. We just always want to make sure we have a good point. Okay. We're going to do a straight line. Alright, and then we're going to take this and give it a little scoop like that in the water. And then we're going to take the tip of our brush. Alright, we're going to get a little white and a little black, so we just have like a little gray. There you go. And just to give it a little, like, a swirl right there in the water. Alright. If you notice up here, I already did like a little bird. And again, you can take your pointer, like this, come in, okay, go down, up, and out. That's it. That's all you do. Alright. So friends, I hope you're having a great time. Now as I draw, see what we're doing? Okay. As that dries, here you go. You dab that down. Give it a nice little outline for your hat. Yeah, I'm very happy, very happy. I hope you're having fun. I have a lot of fun. And I like being able to explain things to my dear friends who tune in. Now, to make this a little bit more realistic, we're going to clean up the edges, okay? On the side like that. Now what you're going to do, and you can do it with a pointer brush, tap in some green. Okay, I'm going to tap in some green, all right, and you're going to cover that right like that, okay? Because in reality, when somebody's sitting, it's not like they're going to be sitting on top of the grass, so the grass is going to be, there you go. Oh, I love it already. There you go. Okay, so our little fisherman, our fishing woman. We have the grass right there behind her. She's sitting, or him, in the grass. There you go, I love it. If you want other little details to do, feel free. If you want more birds, if you want to put another fisherman here, remember these paintings are yours. You do what you may with them. And it gives you a chance to kind of practice and learn different angles with your brushes. Yeah, I just love it. We can just smooth. There you go. Smooth out the darker edges on the body. Make that go across that way. I'm just having a wonderful time, and I hope everybody else is too. You learned, showed you how to do the reflection on the bottom. We got some trees. Remember the birds, you go down and up. And we have our, the sun right there. And if you notice what I did, let me see. I'm going to come in. I'll show you real quick. Don't forget. Okay, do your horizontal. There you go. Friends, I had a wonderful time. There you go. Right there underneath there. Beautiful. Thank you, and I'll see you in my another new video. Bye-bye.